Welcome back to How Car USA, where future cars become reality. Today, we are diving into one of the most breathtaking luxury grand tourers ever imagined, the all-new 2026 Chrysler Imperial GT. This machine is not just a luxury car, it is a bold statement of American power, elegance, and futuristic engineering. From its massive twin-turbo V10 engine to its ultra-premium handcrafted interior, the Imperial GT is designed to challenge Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and Mercedes-Maybach in every possible way. Make sure to watch until the end because this futuristic masterpiece might completely change the future of American luxury forever. The first thing that grabs attention is the stunning shiny dark brown exterior color. Under sunlight, the metallic paint reflects deep copper and bronze tones, giving the car an ultra-premium royal appearance. The long sculpted bonnet looks aggressive and elegant at the same time, featuring sharp aerodynamic lines flowing smoothly toward the front grille. Chrysler designed this hood with active airflow technology, helping the massive engine stay cool while improving high-speed stability. At the front, the Imperial GT features a giant illuminated crystal grille finished with black chrome detailing. The ultra-slim LED matrix headlights create an intimidating futuristic look, while the intelligent laser lighting system automatically adjusts brightness depending on road conditions. The dynamic LED indicators sweep smoothly across the front, giving the car a modern premium feel that American luxury buyers absolutely love. The side profile of the Imperial GT is simply breathtaking. The body shape is long, low, and extremely muscular, combining luxury coupe styling with grand touring proportions. Massive 22-inch turbine-style alloy wheels finished in gloss black perfectly complement the shiny dark brown paint. The frameless doors, hidden door handles, and floating roof design make the car look futuristic from every angle. Soft ambient lights under the doors automatically illuminate when passengers approach the vehicle at night. Moving to the rear, the Imperial GT looks even more dramatic. A full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the back, creating a futuristic lighting signature that instantly stands out on the road. The rear diffuser features quad-active exhaust tips finished in dark chrome, while the intelligent sequential indicators add another layer of sophistication. The trunk design is smooth and sculpted, giving the car a premium aerodynamic appearance while improving airflow efficiency at high speeds. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a private luxury jet than a car. The interior is finished with rich brown luxury leather seats featuring diamond stitching and heated, ventilated, and massaging functions. Every surface feels handcrafted, from the soft-touch leather panels to the brushed aluminum accents. The black luxury dashboard adds a bold modern contrast, creating a sporty yet elegant atmosphere inside the cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved OLED display stretching from the driver's side to the center console. Chrysler's next-generation AI infotainment system learns driver habits and adjusts climate control, seating position, music preferences, and navigation automatically. Ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors transforms the cabin into a futuristic luxury lounge at night. The steering wheel is one of the most advanced features in the car. Wrapped in premium leather with aluminum accents, it includes touch-sensitive controls, voice command activation, adaptive cruise control buttons, and paddle shifters for manual performance driving. The steering system is electronically assisted for ultra-smooth city driving while remaining sharp and responsive during high-speed performance runs. Under the bonnet, the 2026 Chrysler Imperial GT is rumored to feature a hand-built 6.8-liter twin-turbocharged V10 engine producing an insane 1,200 horsepower and over 1,100 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent through an advanced all-wheel drive system paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This futuristic grand tourer can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds while reaching a top speed of nearly 217 miles per hour. Despite its incredible power, the Imperial GT also focuses heavily on comfort. Adaptive air suspension scans the road ahead in real time and automatically adjusts ride height and suspension stiffness for maximum comfort and stability. Rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability in tight spaces while increasing stability during highway driving. American buyers will also appreciate the advanced technology package. The car includes Level 3 autonomous driving capability, augmented reality navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 5G connectivity, panoramic glass roof, rear executive seating package, fingerprint vehicle access, and a premium 30-speaker surround sound audio system delivering concert-level sound quality. Safety is another major highlight. The Imperial GT includes AI-powered collision prevention, lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring, night vision cameras, adaptive emergency braking, and intelligent driver monitoring systems. Every passenger experiences first-class luxury combined with next-generation safety technology. Fuel efficiency has also improved thanks to hybrid assistance technology integrated into the V10 powertrain. Chrysler engineered the Imperial GT to balance monstrous performance with better long-distance efficiency, making it practical enough for luxury touring across America. In the United States, the estimated starting price for the 2026 Chrysler Imperial GT is expected around $185,000, while fully loaded flagship trims could exceed $250,000 depending on customization options and performance packages. The 2026 Chrysler Imperial GT proves that American luxury is back stronger than ever. This car combines breathtaking performance, futuristic technology, handcrafted luxury, and unforgettable road presence into one complete package. It is powerful, elegant, intelligent, and designed for drivers who want something truly different from traditional European luxury brands. Thanks for watching How Car USA. If you enjoyed this incredible look at the futuristic Chrysler Imperial GT, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more next-generation car reviews, concept reveals, luxury automotive content, and future vehicle breakdowns. Let us know in the comments. Would you choose the Imperial GT over a Rolls-Royce or Bentley? See you in the next video.